Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asa, and today I show you in this video my stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful haircut, eye-catching ideas of hair dye, much more latest collection. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyling, fine hairstyle, fine hairstyle, messy hairstyles, spiky hairstyles, and different ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, and so beautiful ideas of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. Much more latest collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video. Share my videos with your friends, your family members and others. And please really support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it all over social media accounts. So then, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll be right back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.